There was a time when I honestly believed everyone else had life figured out, except me. Every promotion, every successful person, every happy family, every finish line felt like proof that I was behind. Looking back, I wasn't actually behind. I was simply looking in the wrong direction. Growing up, I didn't have a roadmap for confidence. My parents were doing the best they could, but our home was filled with criticism, financial stress, emotional reactions, and very little belief that tomorrow could be better than today. Without realizing it, I carried those comparisons into adulthood. I compared careers, money, fitness, confidence, success, and every comparison left me feeling like I was falling further behind. The strange part was, the harder I compared, the less I appreciated my own progress. My race wasn't their race. Trail running taught me something I never expected. Every runner has a different story, different training, different struggles, different goals. I remember watching runners pass me. At first, it bothered me. Not because they were faster, because I quietly started believing their pace somehow said something about my worth. The more I watched them, the worse I ran. Then something clicked. Their race wasn't my race. Their mountain wasn't my mountain. My responsibility was never to outrun them. It was simply to keep moving forward. That lesson followed me everywhere. My Coast Guard career, my professional life, building Pop. I realized I had been comparing my behind-the-scenes life to someone else's highlight reel, my beginning to someone else's middle, my current chapter to someone else's ending. That isn't comparison, it's distortion. Comparison is the fastest way to become blind to your own progress. One of the biggest turning points in my life happened when I stopped asking, how am I doing compared to everyone else? And started asking, am I becoming a better man than I was yesterday? That question changed everything. Progress became personal. The pressure disappeared. Growth became meaningful again. I wasn't trying to become someone else. I was becoming the person I needed when I was younger. Maybe you're doing this right now, scrolling through social media, watching someone else's success, wondering why your life doesn't look like theirs. Remember this, you don't know their story. You don't know their sacrifices. You don't know the battles they're fighting. The only life you're responsible for building is your own. This is why progress is one of the 4 pillars of Pop. Because progress isn't about becoming better than someone else. It's about becoming better than the person you were yesterday. Today, I want you to stop measuring yourself against someone else's timeline. Instead, look back 1 year. What have you survived? What have you learned? What have you rebuilt? Celebrate those victories because they matter. One day, you'll stop looking at everyone else's life. You'll look back at your own trail and you'll realize every setback, every difficult season, every small decision was quietly shaping the person you were becoming. Don't waste today wishing you had someone else's story. Keep writing your own. One step, one chapter, one life rebuilt. This is Pop. Positivity, ownership, progress, purpose. Run your race, walk your path, climb your mountain. Because your journey is enough. I'll see you in the next chapter.
I tried hard when I thought I couldn't make it back. I tried